Hi, my friends. Do you know about social media marketing? Do you want to grow your business using social media but don't know where to start? This video, I will break down social media marketing step by step so you can start seeing real results. Hi, I am Satu Das Gupta, a digital marketing expert specializing in social media marketing. I help businesses and grow entrepreneurs, their online presence, and increase sales through strategic digital marketing. Today, we are going to discuss what social media marketing is, why it's important, and how you can use it to boost your brand. What is social media marketing? The social media marketing, in the short form, we can call it SMM, is the use of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc., LinkedIn, and Twitter also to use or promote a brand, engage with an audience, and drive sales. It involves content creation, advertising, community engagement, and analytics. Also, in the worldwide, 4.8 billion people use social media marketing. Your customers are there. It's a cost-effective compared to traditional marketing. Builds brand awareness and trust. Helps in generating leads and sales with targeted strategies. Key platforms and how to use them. Facebook. Best for ads, brand awareness, and community building. Instagram is best also. Ideal for visual content and influencer collaborations. LinkedIn. The LinkedIn is very powerful for B2B marketing and professional networking. Twitter. Twitter is great for real-time updates and brand interactions. TikTok. Emerging platform for viral or short form of content. How to start with social media marketing? Identify your target audience, know their interests, problems, and prepare platforms. Create engaging content, use images, videos, infographics, and interactive posts. Leverage paid ads. Run Facebook and Instagram ads to reach potential customers. Engage and build community. Respond to comments, join discussions, and offer below. Analyze and optimize. Use insights and analytics to refine strategies. Now that you have an idea of how social media marketing works, it is time to take action. Start by choosing one platform and creating content consistently. Have you any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more details in digital marketing steps. And if you need professional help with social media marketing, reach out to me. I offer expert social media marketing services to grow your businesses. Thank you. I am Satu Das Gupta. Feel free to approach us if you have any questions. Bye bye.